Goodbye, boring steamed green beans that the family frowns upon. You are going to want the best way, and I mean this is the best way to prepare green beans. It needs a little bit more time, 10 minutes to be exact, and your family will rejoice. And guess what? It's a low carb and perfect for diabetics. Well, hello, I'm Dietitian Shelly. I follow a low carb lifestyle to help all of my patients with diabetes, PCOS, insulin resistance. You are going to want this recipe. The family is going to rejoice, and we're starting with that bag of green beans. Now, ladies and gents, although this says wash and prepare, no, boo, Jesus, take the wheel to my strainer. Go ahead and give these babies a nice little rinse because I do not trust that. Oh, did I mention to put the oven to 425? Whoops. Well, guess what? I just did, boo. I just did. So go ahead and rinse these and grab your cutting board and put those green beans on there. Now, this is the stem. Okay, so this little stemmy part, some people will and can, I guess, pop it off with their fingertips. I cannot do this. If you have a secret way to do this, let me know. I'm a time saver. I love to grab my knife and just chop these bad boys off. As you chop these bad boys off, line them in your large baking pan. This is a pretty big bag of those green beans. I don't exactly know how much this is. I'm going to estimate that it's a pound, but I got it from the produce section. This was an Albertsons product. Of course, you can find this at the Walmart and Kroger. Love green beans. But one of the biggest complaints I get from all my clients and patients is that it is incredibly boring and the steamed green beans, And I gotta agree, some of those steamed veggies, but I guarantee this is the best way to prepare these. Green beans itself, amazing for us. A cup contains 28 calories, approximately 5.6 grams of carbs, 2.6 grams of fiber, putting the net carb right at 3. So this is awesome for all of my folks who are diabetic, PCOS, insulin resistance. And we're going to add to this 2 to 3 tablespoons of our olive oil. Y'all know I love to use olive oil. It's that great monounsaturated fat, which is wonderful for our heart. And yes, I am using the Redmond real salt. I'm going to get a lot of questions about, can I use this seasoning, that seasoning? And this is what I always say. I give you the base. Please doctor this up to how you would like it. If you like Tony's, go for it. If you like Greek seasoning, go for it. If you like a no salt seasoning, you go for it. Gang, y'all know I don't measure seasoning. I'm Cajun. I don't think we were born with measuring spoons. Let me know in the comments what state you're from, because I'm from the great state of Louisiana. Go ahead and grab those tongs, toss this, put it in the oven for 15 to 18 minutes. Now, disclaimer, you may want to cook this longer because you kind of like that little burnt feel. I love this. It's amazing. If you were too busy laughing and watching without writing the recipe down, scroll into the description. And of course, scroll down there for a menu. Gang, much love to all. And please go ahead and subscribe.